Let's get festive with this vegan candy cane chocolate fudge. Only 4 ingredients, let's get to it. So I've got the chocolate here, the Nuttolix or any plant-based butter, and I've got my coconut condensed milk. It looks like a mess, but you just hold on there. We're gonna chuck this in the microwave for 3 minutes. Stop every 30 seconds and give it a stir so it doesn't burn. Work it. Ooh, it's looking real silky. Look at that shine. A 4th ingredient for festivity, our candy canes. We need to do a very hard smash of these. Ooh. Just tip in just a decent amount of candy canes. Just want to keep some extra for the topping and just give it a stir through. Chuck that in there. We just want to pour this all in, all the way to the corners. We're going to top this. Now we're going to pop this in the fridge to set. I'd say at least 6 hours till it firms up. Now this is set and then it's time to cut it up and serve. You just take this out in a slab. It's so good.